Hey folks, I'm going to show you, well, it's road closed. Can't get through here, so I had to park alongside the road. We tried heading southbound this morning, but there's actually a slide. And back in 1996, late 96, there was a slide in the same spot. This is St. Mary Lake on the left, and we've had a lot of rain. Pineapple Express, atmospheric river they call it. And let's go look at it. Ah, it's ugly. Look at that slide. It's right in the middle of the road. There's no way this guy's going to be going around it. Back in late 96, he's actually going around it. Road closed, but he did it. Maybe we could go around it too. I don't know if I want to do that. Let's get up closer. And you know, it's just a matter of time before this caved in again. And look at this. Unreal. What a mess. Ho ho. That is sketchy. Wow, I got water all over my camera lens here. Let me clean it off. There we go. A little bit more, sorry folks. Raw and unedited. Wow, this is nasty. So, this is what happened in late 96. It all slid down here, and I had to take a detour. Look at that, it even moved the barricades. Wow, arbutus trees up there, and it's right on North End Road. Should wear my rubber boots. Soaked here. I'm getting a soaker. Ah! A lot of runoff going into the lake. You know, there's houses up there. I don't know if I'd want to be up there. So there it is, folks. There's the landslide here on North End Road, here on the north end of Salt Spring Island, caused by all this rain we're having. Tons of rain. These highways guys are going to be busy. Wow. I was wondering when that was all going to cave in again. And here it is, mid-November 2021. Waterfalls sure look nice. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos here on this channel. Stay dry and palm that subscribe button. Cheers.